Meet the Kansai Special NW-8803GD-UTE flatbed cover stitch machine with automatic functions. This model comes with a built-in servo motor for smooth and efficient operation. The machine runs quietly with minimal vibration. This model features an automatic presser foot lift, controlled by a solenoid, and an automatic thread chain trimming mechanism. The presser foot lifts effortlessly with a simple heel press on the pedal, the same one used for sewing. When you press the pedal with your heel, the machine simultaneously trims the thread chain and lifts the presser foot, all seamlessly during sewing. No additional steps or manual trimming are needed. You can remove the thread from the upper spreader when the machine is stitching with the cover on the reverse side. If the spreader thread is threaded, the stitch will look like this. Upper spreader thread. Lower looper thread. Here's the stitch without the upper spreader. We can remove one of the needle threads to create a half-width stitch. This is the stitch without the spreader.